Good morning, all. It's around 10 a.m. and it's a sunny day, as you can see. It's a bit of cloudy, but it's sunny, and it's our first outing today. We're going to Sentinel Park, which is nearby. तो चलते हैं, थोड़ा घूमते हैं. It's a first trip. It's a picnic, to be honest. पिकनिक करने जा रहे हैं हम सब roommates. हम सब जा रहे हैं and let's see Sentinel Park. So let's go, guys. हमने एक बस ली है यहाँ तक आने के लिए. It took us around 15 minutes to get here and it's a bit of walking to the park. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं. As you can see, those are my roommates, my friends, and we are going to the park right now. तो आगे की बातें वहीं पे करते हैं, देखते हैं कैसी जगह है. We have our picnic bags ready. We all have bags. हमने अच्छे से पूरा पिकनिक प्लान किया है. It's windy, it's 17 degrees, it's cloudy. It was sunny back then, but it's cloudy right now. And it's a beautiful place, as you can see. So, yes, let's go. Centennial Park.
Just the thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
Well, hello. So we are at Centennial Park right now. That's the entrance, as you can see. And yes, it's a beautiful place. It's among, I guess, a jungle, I guess. Parks here are almost jungles. तो काफ़ी अच्छी जगह है. Let's see अंदर से कैसा है. It's cold, it's windy, as I told you. ठंडी बढ़ गई अचानक से, but we are fine. We have our sweaters, we have our jackets. So that's it. Let's go to Centennial Park. हम लोग थोड़े pictures click कर रहे हैं and after that we are going in. It's a beautiful place, to be honest. It's legit beautiful. हेलो। तो हम आ गए हैं सेंटेनियल पार्क. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एज आई टोल्ड यू, एंड दैट्स द होल ट्रेल एज यू कैन सी. लेट मी शो यू द ट्रेल. सो ये पूरा एरिया है जो कवर होता है, एंड वी आर हियर राइट नाउ. सो विल गो अराउंड. हमने देखो ये बोर्ड में से आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ. देयर इज़ पिकनिक ग्राउंड्स, देयर इज़ चिल्ड्रंस प्ले ग्राउंड एंड फार्म. So we'll go to the picnic grounds. First we are going to the nature trails. As you can see there's nature trails, so we are going there. We are going to the nature trails. मेरे दोस्त निकल गए हैं, वो लोग वहीं पे है, as you can see there. So it's a very beautiful place guys. This is my first outing to be honest, and it had to be nature. It had to be nature. It's silent, it's serene, it's I have no words. It's beautiful. और ये सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. Hey. So yes, we are here, and let me show you the little river that we have here. The sound of water, the sound of trees, the sound of the wind through the trees. It's very beautiful. Let me focus. So yes, it's everything here in one place, and we will be going further into it. Let's go guys.
I'm in it for the ride. I'm in it for the ride. I'm in it for the ride.
So guys, as you can see, I am on a track, a train track. So ये एक ट्रैक है जो पूरी ट्रेल से होके यहाँ पे वापस आता है. इट्स अ लूप. तो हम देखते हैं इफ़ वी कैन राइड दिस ट्रेन. इट्स आई गेस $2 हमने पढ़ा यहाँ पे अभी. इट्स 2.5 और $2. विल सी इफ़ वी कैन राइड इट, एंड आई ऐड इट. डेफिनेटली आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू राइड इट, बट अदर देन दैट इट्स so beautiful guys. See the trees, the wind, the sky, the birds, the water. It's very beautiful. So we are going forward to the nature trail, the nature's trail, and we'll find a place on the picnic spot as well, so we can have some picnic which we planned. And as you know, Thunder Bay was currently hit by forest fires, so there's something related to that. We focus. So fire is a very huge problem among the jungles here. Thunder Bay के आजू बाजू काफ़ी सारे फॉरेस्ट एरियाज़ है, तो उसके हिसाब से उन्हें फायर प्रोटेक्शन के लिए अभी बहुत काम करना पड़ रहा है, बिकॉज रिसेंटली देयर हैव बीन फायर इंसिडेंट्स in many of the forest areas. Yes, this is one of that area which they are taking care of. On the other hand, there are some beautiful cottages. I don't know if they rent or if they are on rent or something, but yes, it's a legit good place. This is the nature trail. I won't add any music here, just so you can enjoy the peace. basically it's a whole park, and parks here are forests, as I told you before. And that's the track. That's the train track I showed you before. It goes through whole of this trail. And there's the river. The sun's out as well now, so yes, we can have fun now. So as I told you कि यहाँ पे ट्रेन चलती है, as the tracks I showed you. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि ट्रेन पीछे पड़ी है and it's derailed. So let's guess that the trains won't be working. So guys, unfortunately we won't be able to ride the train today, but we'll definitely go through whole of the park. We'll cover most of the places we can. I wish we could have rode the train, but it's, you can see it's derailed, right? The train, it's derailed, so we won't be able to ride it. That's Valmik, that's my friend, and that's sad. तो आपको मैं सेंटेनियल पार्क के बारे में थोड़ा बताता हूँ. It's one of the top visited places in Thunder Bay. So if you come to Thunder Bay, do visit Centennial Park. This is my first visit and my first visit of Thunder Bay. मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी नहीं आए थे यहाँ पे, so we all planned it and we are here. तो ये जगह फेमस है for its dog walks and the cycle trails. So यहाँ पे लोग अपने डॉग्स को लेके वॉक पे आते हैं. They come to exercise, they come for jogging, they come for enjoying the nature, they come for picnics. हम जा रहे हैं पिकनिक ग्राउंड्स पे after this. We're just taking a walk through the nature trail and लोग साइकिलिंग करने भी आते हैं यहाँ पे. There is a good track for cycling people. So yes, we are currently walking on the train track because the trains are closed and it's beautiful within the train tracks. So just beside the train tracks, the walking trails are there as well. तो अच्छी जगह है. So if you do come to Thunder Bay, just try to visit Centennial Park. And the sun's out, so बारिश भी नहीं होने वाली है मुझे लग रहा है आज. तो पिकनिक भी अच्छी जाएगी हमारी. But that is it, guys. I'll see you guys at the picnic spot now. So see you. I guess they found the picnic spot. Let me show you. So we are at the picnic spot. We found a little place and there they are. So it's so beautiful and it's serene out there. We'll just have some picnic here. We'll enjoy the nature and that's it. I'll see you guys. Hello. So that's the picnic spot, guys. This is so good. It's sunny, it's warm and cold at the same time. This is what we wanted today. A day to relax and have a great picnic. There's my friend there. It's a huge slope there. Let me just run up. And there are my friends. This spot we are using it for the picnic. So beautiful, guys, so beautiful. So finally we are leaving. हम आए थे तब धूप थी, as you saw it was sunny and it started raining. तो वैसे भी हम जा रहे थे but it started raining. It actually started raining. We are going home now. As you can see, that is where we entered, and yes, we are leaving. It's cold, it's raining, it's a weird weather, but we had fun. So we'll take a bus, we'll go home, back where we came from, the same route. So that's it, guys. My friends, we all had so much fun here. Came across this lovely van. There's this kid, and yes, it's a beautiful caravan. They are living in a truck, and this is what I want to do later when I go for a trip, maybe sometime with my friends. This is how I want to take a trip. But right now we are going with an umbrella, just like India. So yes, guys, see you at home.
I'm in it for the ride. I'm in it for the ride. I'm in it for the ride.
So that's it, guys. We are going back home. We are waiting for our bus, and it was a great trip. Centennial Park was legit beautiful. It is one of the most visited places in Thunder Bay, so do visit if you come here. And we're waiting for our bus. It was raining back like 10 minutes back, and it's beautifully sunny right now. As you can see, it's clear. The cloud, there was just one cloud, and it just messed us up in the end, but we did what we came for. We had a beautiful day, we had a beautiful picnic, and we are going back home. So that's it. Just a reminder for you guys, like this video, share this video, and for the motivation of this channel, just subscribe to my channel. Share it as much as you can with anyone you like, any of your friends and any of your family. This will keep me motivated, and I'll come up with some great stuff next time. So till then, stay safe, stay updated, and get vaccinated. That's it, guys. See you guys on the next one.
Just like a rock star.